So we have another question there. It says, suppose that y varies directly as the square root of x. So you see, this time around we have square roots. So we have y varies as the square root. So let's write the equation. Equation will be y. You remove the variation symbol and change it to equal to, and then introduce your constants. So that's what we have. They said if y is 18, so when y is equal to 18, x will be equal to what? 81 from the question. So remember that you have to first of all find the value of y and x before you start solving anything. You find the value of the constants using y and x that was given initially. So y is equal to k root x. So we're going to change y to 18 since it was given as 18. So from here we have 18 is equal to the constant, which is what we're looking for now, times square root of x, which is 81. So we have 18 is equal to k times the square root of 81 is 9. Since 9 times 9 is 81, so we have times 9. So we just divide both sides by 9 to get k. So this will cancel out. So you see that k is equal to 18 over 9 is 2. So we're done. Our k is 2. So for the first question, see, they say we should find the formula connecting y and x. Sometimes they also ask find the equation connecting y and x. So it's still the same thing. I told you that the formula or the equation connecting the quantities given is just this equation here. This first equation we have already drawn. The only difference is that you're going to put in the value of the constant that you found, because that would be the formula we use to solve everything. All right. So our answer for A there would be y equal to k now is 2, so 2 root x. So this is the answer. Now for the B part, they say we should find the value. All right, so find the value of y when x is 9. So we are looking for y. This is for B. We're looking for y when x is equal to 9. So we're going to use this equation. Remember, this is the equation we're using. So from the equation, we have that y is always equal to 2 times whatever the square root of x is, which is 9 in this case. So you see that y will be equal to 2 times square root of 9 is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. So y is equal to 6. And that's our answer. For the C part, they say we should find the value of x. So we're looking for x now when y has increased to 10. Again, we use that formula. Y is equal to, okay, no need of writing the formula since it's clearly on the screen. So let's just put the value of y as 10. So 10 is equal to 2 square root of whatever x is. So we first of all divide both sides by 2. 2 can cancel 2. So we now have square root of x on its own equal to, you see that 2 into 10 is 5. So when you have square root of x equal to 5, how do you now get what x is? Alright, to eliminate square root, we just take the square of both sides. So you see that this square will cancel the square root. So we have x is equal to 5 squared, which means 5 times 5. So x will become 25. So that's how to solve questions on variation, both direct and inverse. So if you just know how to get the equation, which is what we have here. So if you know how to get the equation and then you find the value of the constant, which is to replace it in the equation, then with this formula you can now solve every question that would be given. So that's it. Variation is very simple, only understand the concept. So in the next video on variation, we're going to talk about the other types of variation, which is joint. Joint variation is simply the combination of direct and inverse, while we're going to talk about partial variation. So they're also very simple. So share the video with your friends, please. And then if you've not subscribed, do well to do that. And okay, God bless us.